This video is about naming your documents for your unit and saving them in your Google folder that you created. So when you open up the document, you will click on it, click Make a Copy, and then the first thing that you will do is rename your vocabulary log in this case. So you can write your first name. So for example, my name is Chris Bobber, and I have my title, Academic and Domain Specific Vocabulary Form. So I renamed it. Now I am going to move it into the folder I created for Unit 1. I go to click on File, go all the way down where it says Move. It will open up my drive and all the folders I have. You might only have one folder. You might have several, but find the folder that says A Long Walk to Water. Click on the arrow. I don't have anything in this folder yet, so that's okay. And we click Move Here. You'll repeat that process every time that you have something like the vocabulary form or your GIST tracker, so that you can always have access to that document throughout the whole unit. Then when a next lesson asks you to find your academic and domain-specific vocabulary form, you will not make an extra copy. You will open up a tab in your browser, go to the Google Drive. So see how I have my Canvas page open and I have my Google Drive page open. And if it asks me to find a certain document that I already made, I'm going to go to my folder for A Long Walk to Water and then find the document that I've saved in that folder. This will save you, and then you double click to open it. This will save you lots of headaches so that you do not lose your work and you don't have to worry about finding it every time. Have a wonderful day and good luck organizing your work.